Become faster, stronger, better with the Synergy Magnetic Indoor Cycling Bike. Find your optimal riding position with the 4-way adjustable seat and 2-way adjustable handlebar as you slip into the caged pedals. Generate a soft, consistent inertia with the 30-pound flywheel paired with the micro-adjustable belt-driven magnetic tension. Track your intensity instantly with the pulse sensors along with other fitness variables on the performance monitor. Build a complete fitness routine with the attached dumbbell holders, or cool down quickly with the bottle holder. Enjoy your favorite media on the central position device holder. Feel secure with the heavy-duty frame that supports riders up to 275 pounds in weight. When you're ready to call it quits, move your bike with ease with the transportation wheels. Become faster, stronger, better with the Synergy Magnetic Indoor Cycling Bike.